Good morning, everyone. It's Catherine from My Hillside Garden. I just wanted to do a quick update. I wanted to show you those tomato plants where they were long and stalky, and I cut the tops off and stuck them into the same pot. So with this one, the main plant did die off. Let's see if we could get this. There we go. Give it some sunshine. That one looks fabulous. That's a Kosovo tomato. That one's coming along nicely. We have a Jersey Devil. He's a little bit smaller, but I want you to take notice. On the right is actually the stump part. On the left, near the sticks, that is actually the part I stuck in the soil. So I'll get two plants out of that one. That's Jersey Devil, and this one is Matt's Sweet Cherry. And that one also, the root and the top, or the main stem that I took the top off of, did well also. So we're going to be planting those out today. I just wanted to show you that cutting off the top of your tomato plant and sticking it into some soil will let it root. I've also heard from some other subscribers that what they do is they take the suckers off, and that's how they make more plants. They stick them in water, or they'll stick them in the soil, and more times than not they will grow on their own. So if you only want to plant a couple of tomato plants, this is a way to get some more for free with very little work. Just wanted to share that update with you. Hope you have a great day. Happy gardening.